They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hi guys, or welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Ambition Writes. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different, but you guys said it was okay. So it's gonna be a nail haul video. I got some new items in the mail. I know my first and second nail video wasn't the best because I did two different nail designs with two different nails because I wanted to just try out this content. But my upcoming videos is about to be better. I got my equipment, I got some new nail stuff, so let's just get right into this. Okay, so let's start off with the new stuff because I like new stuff. So I actually got some new things from Long Hair Pretty Nails here on YouTube. She has her own storefront, which is super cool. So I got some goodies from her. I'm so excited. It's like, this is rose gold. You know I have to get me some rose gold stuff. Like, isn't that so pretty? And then I got me like some pink iridescent ones, which would have went perfect with this nail set here. If you haven't watched this video or this one, go check that out. And it's different sizes too, which I really enjoy. I feel like that makes the most sense to have different sizes. And I've never seen this type of color before, so I was really excited to get ones like this. It's like a darker iridescent color scheme. And I had to, of course, get me some gold because I'm always looking for like gold gems, but I could never really find them. The thing I'm most excited for is my nail diamond. This is what I'm going to start using for my videos, so I could go like that and paint my nails. And it's just, I don't know, this is just fun to me. Even if these videos don't like do well or whatever that quote unquote means, I'm having fun, sis. So numbers is not always a thing for me. It's doing my nails is my self-care, so I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. So also, while you're seeing everything that I'm mentioning in this video, if you see an item that you want me to feature or use in a video, then let me know. Just be like, yeah sis, you know, do a video with the caviar beads or do a set with the gold stones or like something. You can let me know that as well. For swatches, I got me some gel nail polish from Amazon, but I didn't know that there are a Marquardt brand. So these are actually featured on the Marquardt website as well. I don't know if I mentioned it in the previous video, but I am a Marquardt brand ambassador. And so you can save money when you shop on the Marquardt website. But when you buy items from Marquardt on Amazon, that's not where you save money. Alright, let's start off with this blue one. Again, they're color changing. So the color that you're going to see when it first applies is going to change once it goes into the lamp, once the color hits it. The temperature hits it. So looks like it's pretty sheer. Looks like it has some like glitters in it. I don't know if you can see that at all. I like watching swatches, but if you don't, then okay sis. Alright, so one of the items I actually want to talk about is my flash carrying little flashlight. What's so funny about this too is when you look this up on Amazon, it'll be in the description bar. But you can also use this like when you go to the hotels or something and check to see if there's anything unnecessary on the bed sheets or whatever. It catches that. It also catches like pet urine and stuff like that. This cures your gel polish, but also does all that stuff. So this is actually pretty handy. It came with a pack of 3. So I'm actually going to cure these polishes. So hopefully you can see them change color right before our eyes. Oh, yep, this is changing. Okay. So yeah, so this blue one turns to white. That's cool. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Can you guys see the shift in this one? There's like gold glitter in here. Oh my god. I think this one changed. I'm trying to see. I think this one changed to a lighter pink because it was darker. This changed, right? I think, yeah. Wow. Oh yes, you can see the tip. So let's see it change. Yes. So yeah, it does change. This green, I don't know what this is going to change to. Oh, this is changing into like a mustardy yellow. But you can see it. So this one changes into a yellow. These are shifting back to the darker colors because like I said, it's kind of cold in here. Alright. Ooh, this one bubbled up a little bit. Yeah, this one, let's put some body heat to it, turns into a pink. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. What? Pink, what would it turn into? white because it can't, I don't think it could shift into anything else. Yeah. She's like, yep. Alright, this one is a red. It looks like it's shifting to white right now. Yeah, that shifted very fast. I'm going to show you logistic things first, like drill bits and stuff like that, and then we'll go into like gems and stuff. So just watch the whole thing, sis, because I have some cute stuff. I've mentioned this before in a couple videos, which is my nail drill, and I highly recommend, honestly, that you pick up a nail drill because honestly, even if you're a beginner, you have to start somewhere. So I feel like some of my nail sets did so much better when I had a nail drill, and this is the one that I had. I had an older one, but I ended up getting this one because you can switch it to if you're right-handed or left-handed, or if you're working on yourself, obviously. So I have mentioned this in the other video, but I'll say it again. So if you are using your right hand, so if your drill is in your right hand, I'm right-handed. Make sure your drill is in forward, so it's going the right way. Once you switch to your left hand, that's when you put it into reverse. You will learn the hard way if you don't honestly follow that, because it will skip, it will nick you, and we don't need that. I think a lot of people get afraid of drills because they don't know how to use it, but that's literally what it is. So right here it shows my battery level. I only charged this once, and I've had this for like a year and a half. This holds a battery charge very, very well. I don't know if you need to know these specs. I don't really know. I don't really care. And when you want to change your drill bits, you just twist this, take that out, and put in a new one. This drill bit, this part is called a mandrel. I have sandy bands from Macart, and they come in different variations. So you have your coarse one, which I don't use as often. I'll only probably use this one when I'm removing gel polish. The one that I have on it right now is this one, which is a 150 zebra. The one before that is 80. And then the one that I never really use is my 240 black. And the black one is a fine sanding band, which is more for like buffing and, you know, things like that. I don't really use that. I'd rather use my buffer. Getting these is super important in your nail journey. And you can find these on the Macart website or on Amazon, like I said. The drill bits that I recommend you get as a beginner. This holder, by the way, is also from Macart. So, I recommend that you get a kit. So most kits come with the mandrel, which is this one. So it comes with it usually. I recommend you get a couple of cuticle bits. So we have like these ones right here. Again, just get a kit. So these are cuticle ones, the round ones here. I'd never use that. I don't know what that's for. Probably for your toes. I don't know, child. That's so huge. I highly recommend, if you want to just go in, getting the Kiara Sky 5-in-1. Because you do so many different things with it. This is the fine bit. I love Kiara Sky ones. The rose gold ones are Kiara Sky ones, and the quality is beyond me. I love it, love it, love it so much. This is a, I'll put the names on the screenshot. I know it's a coarse one, I think, and this helps me remove product, but it's a safety one. Safety bits is actually recommended if you're a beginner, because you won't nick yourself around the cuticle, because it's literally like protecting you from doing that. So that's pretty cool too. Okay, let's go into my favorite thing, which are gems. I have a whole bunch of them, and I put them in these little containers. I think I got them from Michael's. Some of these come in a kit. Some of them I just bought, but my favorites are these. And of course, I haven't used them yet, but the long hair pretty nails ones are really nice too. But this is what they look like, and they have different sizes. Love, love, love these. These are called like AB gems, because they have different reflections. And I have like gold ones. I have different shapes here. Super fun. I don't reuse them. I think that's gross. These are not 100% like Swarovski crystals, so I don't really use these flat silver ones because I think they're boring, but I do have them just in case, I suppose. This came in a kit. They're just like flat, like design things. I don't really use those either. These are so cute. They came in a kit as well. But you can find these on Amazon. So if I can find them, I'll put them below. I don't use these either, but, you know, they're always fun to have. I might, like, get out my comfort zone and try to use them. And I feel like these are trying to be gold, but they're too dark of a gold, so I feel like they're more bronzy. And what I use to attach my crystals to my nails is a little device like this. And you pick it up with this end. It's kind of dirty. And it comes with like 2 extra heads. And I already have one. And then you position your crystals with this end. Like that. And I got this from Amazon. Super cute. This is the nail glue that I use and I highly recommend. Honestly, like my gems do not fall off. I also want to show y'all my foil kit, and I have a little bit of couple gems in here too. I got this kit from this holder from Macart. Nope, a lie, from Michaels. They're both M's. I've kind of shown this in this video where I had used this because I had used one of the lace ones. I have different types of foils. Like I said, I have black and white lace ones. I have like flowers in here. So like this. Newspaper ones. I thought this was so cool. I have a Louis Vuitton one. Came in a kit. Got it from Amazon. I don't know if you can see that though. Yeah, cheetah ones. These are so cool to have. I have like little pearls. They're not real pearls, but I got these from Michaels. And I just kind of put them in here. I got these from Michaels too. These are huge as all heck. I haven't used those yet, but whatever. These tend to come in standard kits. I also have tons of polygels now. I used to have like 5, and now I just OD'd. I have polygels from many different brands just because it happened that way, but my favorite clear polygel will always be Macart just because they're the clearest one of all time. So definitely this is really good for capping nails and you know, shaping your nails and stuff like that. In this video I used the ones by SXC. So you saw that in that video. And these are bigger too. These are 30G. Unlike these small ones. So that's really cool. My purple set I'm excited to do is by Vernmal. And I have Macart ones. Again, get them from the Macart website and save you some money. I showed y'all my little bootleg swatching system. Just because I don't like to use so much effort on Swatch 6 for gel, for polygel, but yeah, I have them here. There's the color ones here, the SXC ones here. This is the fairy set, I think, like the glitter ones. This is the other set I'll put on the screen. I can't think of it right now. This is the nude set. Look at the purple set. Oh my god. I cannot wait to... stay tuned for that video. Yeah, and the colored ones, these ones are from some random brand I got on Amazon. I'll put it in the in my Amazon storefront. I have tons and tons of glitters. We have like some, I don't know how I will describe this color, but it's so pretty though. This all came in a set. The stuff I'm about to show you came all together in one set, sis. It has like butterflies in here. Different shapes. Like, oh my god, isn't that so pretty? Oh, I don't like butterflies, but I will be using this in the upcoming set. So we got some butterflies. We got chunky ones. And like flat, you know. Ooh, I'm not pouring this out, but you see this? Look at that. Pretty. Again, this all came all together. Also part of that set are these. I don't know what in the heck I'm going to do with these. I don't know how I'm going to do this. But they're like super thick. Like, look at this. What am I going to do with that? I got to figure it out. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but these are so pretty. I could see this being like a summer look. I think those are leaves in there too. Okay, so that's all one set. Now let's look into everything else. Shapes here. I don't really tend to use those too much. Blue glitters. So it's like different shifts of blues and purples. Don't be afraid to buy a whole bunch of glitters and make your own glitter like combination, because that will make it really unique to you. So I love using gold foils in my nails. This is like a a fun multicolored one. And this one's fun too. The silver's all the way at the bottom because I hate silver. I think that is all my my fun nail stuff that I've recently gotten. Let me know how you felt about this video. Let me know any video ideas you want me to do for my nails off of the things that you saw or things that you want me to do in general. I have tons of ideas for y'all because I love honestly doing my nails. So this is just fun for me even if you don't watch, sis. So anyway, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment like I said, and subscribe if you have not as yet. So, bye guys.